So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next step in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find anything that says Microsoft Visual C++. I've only got one of them, you may have more. You want to do this for all of them. So once you find that, you want to click on the 3 dots and then click on modify. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to click on repair. You now want to repair every single Microsoft Visual C++ that you have. And then once you've done that, you want to go back to CMD. Wait for the scan to be fully completed. Once you fully complete the scan, you then want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.